we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Microsoft Edge app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for your list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, you click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Microsoft Edge app. Or just click here on search here. So then here add Edge app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click here on first stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.